Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A17, and today I'll show you how you can boot your phone into recovery mode. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and have it ready. This is how we will access recovery mode. Samsung does require connection to the computer for literally no reason, honestly. And on our phone, we're gonna swipe down, select the power button, and to choose power off. Now when the device turns off, which is, there we go right now, what you want to do is start holding the power button and volume up at the same time. And when you begin holding these two buttons, you're gonna immediately plug it in. So I'm just aligning my fingers right now, I'm not really pressing them. So basically setting it all up. So I'm gonna start holding it now, plug in. When you see the Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. We can also unplug the cable like I just did. It's only needed to get us in here, and other than that, like I said, it serves no purpose whatsoever. And in here, using volume buttons, as that's how you will navigate, you press volume down to navigate down, up to go up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with the camera settings right now, it's kind of hard to see the rest of the text. I'm gonna start scrolling them down, which when they select it, it's a little bit easier to see. But we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Scrolling down, we have reboot to bootloader. There is no bootloader, so it will take us to either download mode or fast boot mode. We have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. And it jumps all the way to the top again. So I'm going to confirm the first option, reboot system now, with the power button. And like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.